Hi friends, this video shows how to connect this Portronics Toad 13 wireless mouse to iPhone. Please don't forget to subscribe this channel, please like and share the video. We need an adapter like this. This is USB Type-C to USB adapter. In this USB port, we can connect Bluetooth receiver of the mouse. This Type-C pin we can connect to iPhone. Let me connect this Bluetooth receiver of the mouse to this adapter. So we can connect like this. Okay, done. After that, this adapter we can connect to iPhone. Let me connect adapter to iPhone. So we can connect like this. Okay, done. After that, in iPhone, go to settings. Tap on the settings up icon. Go to accessibility. Go to touch. Go to assistive touch. Tap here and turn on assistive touch. Done. Let me test this mouse. See, it's working. So this way we can connect this Portronics Toad 13 wireless mouse to iPhone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.